What if I told you that you can make $60 every single day for free? In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method which website is going to pay you money and how you can promote it and how you can get paid. This is one of the best way to make money online. This is a completely free tutorials, so watch the video until the end. There's a trick how you're going to promote it. If you miss that step, you're never going to make any money, so watch the video until the end. For this video, I'm going to promote this affiliate program. There are a couple of websites, not couple of websites, millions of websites have the affiliate program. You need to pick one. Lots of people looking for a web hosting plan every single month to host their blog or their website or e-commerce site. Website like Bluehost or GoSkater or GoDaddy is the platform where people come and host their website. And if you promote that, and you can make free money from every single day for free. Then you can see Bluehost is a web hosting website going to pay you money when you promote this plan to them, and you can make up to $65 per sales. Inside Bluehost, there's a lots of other service that you can promote, like email marketing, and if you promote that, you can make $105 per sale. But we stick with one plan at a time. It's called Bluehost Affiliate Program for web hosting. So all you have to do is click sign up. You don't have to have a website or social media following. It's completely free to create an account with it, and you will be approved within a couple of minutes, guys. After you create your account with it, this is your affiliate link. But you can just go there and promote it on social media by your hosting. Nobody's going to click that link because you're going to provide value for that. In the past, I said write an articles. It will take a long time. That's why I have this tool. This tool is help me to write articles like a review of a certain product within a couple of minutes. So this is called Javas AI, which I made a lots of review in the past. Go and check it out, my old videos. There's a link in the description. Sign up for 5-day free trial. This tool gonna help you do lots of other things. So what I did on a blog post outline, I put it on a Bluehost web hosting review, and it will bring a bullet points or number of things I had to write about on my articles. That you can see 1 to 5 list. Then what I did, I just click copy this and again go to the same tools. This is the tool I can show you. If I go to template, you can see there's a lots of things you can do with this. I'm going to click this one called long form assistant, where you're going to write an article for it. So you can see if I click open that, and it will bring us this page. I put the title and I put the bullet points here. You can see 1 to 5, 6, and I put the keywords, which is Bluehost review web hosting, and like that you can see this website generate article for me. You can see it will cover all the bullet points or number of points I want to cover, 1 to 6, and then there's a conclusion and there is a introduction. After your article is generated, copy this entire article, put it on Word document or Grammarly, whatever the software that available to you, because you need to edit here. You need to give some spaces, make sure this look like a easily readable articles. After you edit the articles, you have to go back to your website, in this case Bluehost. You have to copy this affiliate link. Now come back to your articles, and you're going to highlight that part called Bluehost, and you can insert this affiliate link. After you insert the affiliate link inside this articles, all you have to do is copy this article and you're going to go to this website. This is the part you need to look closely. We're going to use Quora. I haven't posted anything on Quora for a very long time, but my old answers is still generating views every single month. On Quora, I'm going to show you a 2-way that you can promote these articles and you can make money from it, but you need to look carefully here. If you miss some steps, you're never going to make any money. First, what you have to do is the old method. You're going to search for Bluehost and you're going to find a question on the left hand side. These are the questions, you can answer it, but where you have to consider one thing carefully, that you can't answer the multiple question with the same answer. Quora will block it because it's a repeating same content. So if you have articles generated, you can answer one question. You need to find in a question with the highest engagement. That means lots of people answering that questions. You need to find that question, open that question, and you're gonna copy and paste that article. So just click answer, and you're gonna copy and paste that articles, and you're gonna post it on here. This is one part. The second part is called Quora space. You need to go to Quora and you're gonna click this one called space on here, and it will bring this one. Here I have one space already there. It's for make money online. Quora space is very much similar to Facebook pages where you can post your own content, you can pin it up, you can gather followers on that. Again, with a space you can make money from it. I will make a detailed video in the future by how you can monetize it. When you post a question, you get paid from Quora, or whenever people answer your question and you get paid from the Quora because for the engagement. So you're going to click this one called create space, and you can enable it as Bluehost review or Bluehost web hosting, because it's different for your own product, and sometimes the name is not available. So pick one Quora suggests you, and you're going to create that. After that, what you're going to do, and you're going to copy and paste the article on that. That you can see your space is created, that you can see monetize the answer and post on your space. So you're going to click this one called get started. You can see you can monetize it. Also, you can offer subscription. Basically, only people are able to see your answers or your articles, they have to pay the subscription for you. So on that way also you can make money from it. For this, I don't want to have a subscription. People doesn't pay that much to watch your answer because you don't have that much followers on here. So I'm gonna skip that, and I'm gonna go with Quora revenue sharing. Basically, Quora are going to share the revenue for the engagement that you are getting for your space. And you're going to click enable that, and you're going to click next, and you're going to add revenue to when a Quora put ads on your page, on your space, you're going to make money from it. You're going to click enable now, and you're going to click this one called go to my space. On here, what you're going to do, you're going to post your articles. Click this one here, and you're going to paste that articles. This is a big article, and you're going to click next on it, and you're going to see, do you want to monetize this post? And you're going to click yes, and you're going to post it on here. That's it, guys. Now what you do, this is your main article, right? So after you post these articles, you're going to click these three dots on here, and you're going to click this one called pin to space. What happened is it will pin in the top of the page or top of the space or this page. So whenever people come and post questions or answer but your articles, this article always in the top. So whenever people click read more and they click this Bluehost link, and it will take to the affiliate page, they buy the hosting, and you make $60 for free every single day. This method works worldwide. You can make money completely free using Quora by answering simple questions, also creating space and posting content on Quora every single day. And remember this, on Quora, if you post content every single day like questions, and you're answering questions, and if you start to get more followers, and you will get paid from Quora for the contributions. You get paid from revenue sharing, or also you can get paid from ad sharing when Quora started to put ad on your page, guys. I hope, guys, you understand these videos. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video for you guys. Also, YouTube course is under production. It will be available very soon. I will let you know, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.